again after so many years. Silence was loud, but now it clears. Your face still shines, still so bright, but today you're like the morning light. You still glow, you still amaze. Your beauty blooms in endless ways. God has blessed you pure and free. In my world, you're all I see. When I saw you, joy filled my soul, like sunshine turning dark to gold. My heart awoke from years of pain. Now that you're here, I smile again. Happiness hums inside my chest. Your voice, a song that sounds the best. You are the light within my sky, like the moon that shines so high. I can't believe, but it's so true. Life has changed because of you. The past is gone, no need to roam. Now I know I found my home. When I saw you, joy filled my soul, like sunshine turning dark to gold. My heart awoke from years of pain. Now that you're here, I smile again. I smile again. Happy memory, but it's so true. Life has changed because of you. The past is gone, no need to roam. Now I know I found my home. You're the memory I hold so tight, the love that makes my world feel right. Now you're back, the world feels new. 'Cause when I see you, skies turn blue. When I saw you, joy filled my soul. I saw like sunshine turning dark to gold. My heart awoke from years of pain. Now that you're here, I smile again. I smile again. I smile again. Again.